Hello Class 1 and welcome to your first history lesson. This week you are going to be learning about an event that happened in London many years ago. Today you are going to be comparing past and present London. Let's have a look at some images of modern London. Modern means these images are from the present day. You can pause the video on each picture and write down anything interesting that you can see. In this picture, I can see lots of bridges to help people cross the river. This river is called the River Thames. I can see buildings of all different shapes and sizes. I can see bright lights from the buildings lighting up the night sky. I can see a big house made from bricks. I wonder who lives here. I can see a tall flat block. Lots of people live in flats in London, just like in Manchester. I can see a bus and a taxi driving on the road. I can see a sign for the underground tube station. The tube is how many people travel around London. Have you ever been on a tube in London? I can see lots of people. London is a very busy city. We are about to go back in time by around 350 years to visit London in the year 1666. This was a very important year in the history of London. Pause the video and think about how London might have been different at that time. Let's look at some images of London from the 17th century. This is a 17th century map of London. There were a lot less houses and buildings than there are today. This is a drawing of St. Paul's Cathedral. In 1666, there were no cameras to take photographs. This is a painting of the River Thames. The people's clothes are very different to what we wear today. This is a painting of Samuel Pepys. He was a member of Parliament and lived in London. He kept a very detailed diary from 1660 to 1669. This diary became one of the most important sources of information about London during this time in history. Lots of things have changed in London since 1666. Today you are going to sort the pictures in your work pack to show which pictures are from 1666 and which pictures are from the present day. Pause the video while you cut out the pictures in your work pack. Let's complete the first row together. We need to decide which buildings are from 1666 and which buildings are from London today. Have a look at the pictures and put them where you think they belong. This picture shows us buildings from London in 1666. I can see that the buildings are made from wood. These buildings are from present-day London. I can see that these buildings are made from bricks and glass. You can now stick the rest of your pictures on your sheets. When you have stuck all your pictures down, I would like you to have a go at writing some sentences about how London has changed since 1666.